Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 3 AMOLED edition, and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to open the activities menu. To do it, press the GPS button. It will open the list of your favorite activities, and here we can basically scroll through the list, find the workout we want to start, and then press the GPS button to select it and start it. If you're missing the workout on this list, you can scroll down, select the option called Add, press GPS, and then select category, find the workout you want to add, and then press GPS to add it to the list. Okay, and once you have the workout you want to use and you select it, press the GPS button, and here we have the menu for our workouts, and we can press the up button to open the settings. Here you have quite few settings for the workout. You can customize it to your liking. And we have stuff like safety, user profile, connectivity, and stuff like that. That's for the watch settings, I believe. Here we have the workout settings. So if you scroll all the way down, it will open the normal settings, but here we have settings for the workout. And we have power mode settings, data screens, navigate, and stuff like that. And if you press the back button, you can go back to the workout page. And to start the workout itself, press the GPS button, and it will start the workout. We have a timer going, and the workout is on. And during the workout being like on and it's working, you can press the up and down buttons to scroll through the different data sheets. Also, you can pause the workout by pressing the GPS button. You can resume it again by pressing the GPS button. You can press the back button. If the workout is going, you can press the back button to set the lap. I believe we can also press the GPS button to pause the workout. Press the back button to open this menu. And here we can resume the workout, save the workout. If you save it, it will stop the workout and save your data. You can set to resume later. You can change the sport. You can lap it. You can start from the beginning. You can check your recovery heart rate, and you can also discard the workout. So basically you will stop the workout and discard the information from it if you don't want to save it. I'm gonna select the discard, then press the start to confirm, and the workout will stop and the data will be discarded. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.